All right, so we're back at it. We're looking at another property here. This is off of Hardball. So not the most secluded, but once you get up in here, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Towering pines. This is 100% off grid, but it's still close to the Hardball. Well, it's on the Hardball. Driveway at the very first part of it is a little steep, but I think I can rework that, make it a little better. And they rarely, if ever, get snow. So I'm not worried about snow and ice. Somebody put up this little carport area. I'm not sure we'd use that, but oh man, this forest is just awesome. I will say the only downside is I can hear the traffic noise, which does not appeal to me. And maybe some people would say a downside too is there's no creek or pond. Now this is 18 acres. I'm not going to walk the whole 18 acres, but just the forest area is beautiful. And living off a Hardball has its pros and cons. This is like a huge rectangle that runs parallel with the highway. So this is definitely a contender. I think it's 18 acres. I gotta do a little more research on it, but this one's making the list. Okay, so we're walking out of the property now, and I'll take you down the driveway. I really like this property. Like I said, the only thing I don't like is the traffic noise. But it's got a lot of mature pine trees, some oak trees. So you may be able to hear the traffic noise behind me, or now it's in front of me. It does get a little quieter the deeper you go in. But yeah, this would need a little bit of rework. Some trimming back, get my travel trailer up here, supplies, equipment. But this is inside a U.S. National Forest as well, so no chance of development or neighbors. Oh yeah, I'm really liking it. So here's where it gets a little sketchy. I do like the fact, if you can see in there, they've got a drainage ditch that goes around the driveway, so shouldn't be a whole lot of washout. But I know cameras never do this justice, but this is a pretty good slope. Now, four-wheel drive, I don't think you'd have a problem, especially if you cleared out the vegetation, because that can get slippery. But yeah, that's main highway, people going 60, 65, so I'm a little worried about my dogs. May have to just kennel them. Ooh, look what I found. Oh no, it's just bones. I thought it was antlers. Okay, so this one is on the list. I want to check out the drainage down here. That's great. I don't want my driveway washing out. Okay, good deal. So we just put offer in on a pretty nice property. A little smaller, but the price is right. The situation is right. And then we came upon this. And anybody that knows me knows I like to skateboard. This just happens to be a town that's maybe 20, 30 miles away from the property. It's a cute little park. Yeah, I really hope this works out. We just happened to kind of go down this road looking at another property, and then we saw a sign which happened to be the same realtor, and we actually liked that property better. It had a pond on it. The guy said that they tried to find the bottom once by swimming down and never could swim far enough down. So it pretty much tells me it's spring fed. It's not the largest pond, but it's a cute little pond. It's got some lilies in it, and where the lilies aren't is where he thinks the spring comes up, because it's a lot cooler. But yeah, we're just kind of waiting to hear if they take our offer or counter. We're driving around town and came upon this. Oh, that looks fun. A little bit of everything. Yeah, I really just, I don't know, maybe the stars are aligning and we'll get this property, and every now and then I'll come down here and skate. So that's the update. I'll bring you all back when we hear something.